Hello everyone. Today we are doing worksheet number 8 for class 7, date 12th August 2021. In this worksheet we are talking about digestion in humans, and we will discuss what is ingestion, what are the organs in mouth cavity which help in digestion. So first we will take ingestion. Ingestion means taking in of food by mouth. This process of taking food into the body by mouth is called ingestion, and teeth help in ingestion and also help in digestion by chewing the food particles into small pieces. Now, our teeth vary in appearance and perform different functions. If we open our mouth and see our mouth cavity, we will see these type of structures in our mouth, right? This is the pattern of our teeth in our mouth cavity. So these are the incisors which are in front of our mouth, then our canines, then premolars, and then molars. Now we'll see the function. Incisors, which are on the front side of your mouth, help in cutting and biting. Yes, if you have to cut anything, you take the help of these incisors. If anything is hard, then you pierce and tear it with the help of canines. And premolars and the molars, when we cut the food and pierce it, tear it, then we will take the food towards the sides on the premolars, and these premolars help in chewing and grinding. Same way molars help in chewing and grinding. So these different types of teeth perform different function and convert the food into smaller pieces. Then comes the salivary glands. Our mouth has a salivary glands which secretes saliva. Saliva means thuk. This saliva breaks down the starch into sugar. We can experience it if we chew a piece of bread for some time. Saliva gets mixed properly and taste becomes sweeter. Clear? Means saliva acts on starch and converts it into sugar, and sugars are sweet in taste. Then the function of tongue. Tongue is also present in our mouth. Then function of tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular attached at the back of the floor of our buccal cavity. It has taste buds that detect different tastes of the food. These are the taste buds. Sweet taste comes from the taste buds which are present at the tip of the tongue, right? So we will get sweet taste easily, right? Then sour taste comes from the side of the tongue, and salty at the back side, and at the last is the bitter taste. So these buds are present on our tongue, which helps us in tasting the food. Now, dental care or the good habits. If we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria will grow in it. These bacteria break down the sugar present from the leftover food and release acid, and this acid gradually damages the teeth, and this is called tooth decay. What is tooth decay? The They break down the sugars, release acids, and these acids act on the gums and the enamel of our teeth, and this is called tooth decay. So how can we prevent it? One should clean the teeth with a brush or datun at least twice a day and rinse the mouth after every meal. Now we come to the questions. Why should we chew food properly while eating? Yes, when we chew the food properly, it breaks down into smaller pieces and mixes with saliva present in the mouth, which help in digestion of starch into sugar. Second question, how can we take care of our teeth? We should brush our teeth twice a day and rinse the mouth after every meal. And the third question is, write one function of each of the following. Salivary glands से क्या होता है? Salivary glands they release saliva, which helps in converting the starch into sugar. Tongue helps in mixing the saliva with the food and also helps in taking the food. Molar teeth helps in chewing and grinding, and the saliva helps in converting the starch into sugar. So with this we finish today's worksheet. Hope you have understood this worksheet. Thank you so much.